points, lines and plane. Introduction of points, lines and plane in detail. Hello students. Today we will learn a very important topic, points, lines and plane. Point. The 3 points A, B and C are shown in the diagram alongside. Line. The diagram is of line XY or line L. Segment. This diagram shows the segment PQ or QP. Note that in this diagram we see segment DE, segment EF and segment DF. Ray. The diagram alongside shows ray VK. Lines passing through a point. Look at the figure alongside. O is a point in the figure. The line passes through this point. Let us see how many more lines we can draw that pass through the same point O. We can draw innumerable lines through the point O, such as line M, line N, line K and so on. We can draw innumerable lines passing through a single point. Lines passing through 2 points. In the figure alongside, A and B are 2 different points and line AB passes through these 2 points. One and only one line passes through any 2 given points. Note that here 1 means at least 1 and only 1 means at the most 1. Collinear points and non-collinear points. L, M, N are 3 points in the figure alongside. We can draw a line that passes through all the 3 points. Therefore, we say that L, M and N are collinear points. If a single line can be drawn that passes through 3 or more than 3 points, the points are said to be collinear. X, Y, Z are 3 points in the figure alongside. We cannot draw a single line that passes through all 3 points. Here, X, Y and Z are non-collinear points. When a single line cannot be drawn that passes through 3 or more points, the points are said to be non-collinear. In this figure, the points I, J, K, L, M are collinear. However, I, J, O are not collinear points. In other words, they are non-collinear. Now plane. In the picture alongside, the surface of the table is shaded. If we were to extend this surface in all directions, it will keep on growing bigger. A plane is such a flat surface which extends in all directions without any limits. Even though a plane is infinite, we represent it for convenience as shown in the figure alongside. We do not draw arrows every time to show that a plane is infinite. A plane is named using one capital letter as plane H. A single line does not pass through 3 non-collinear points. However, one and only one plane passes through 3 non-collinear points. For example, point A, B, C in the figure. Intersecting lines. In the figure alongside, the line X and the line Y in the plane H cut each other at only one point, that is M. It means that M is the only point common to the 2 lines X and Y. The point M is called the point of intersection of the two lines. Two intersecting lines have one and only one point of intersection. Parallel lines. The lines G and F in the plane P in this figure do not intersect each other. That is, they do not have even a single common point. These lines are called parallel lines. Lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. That line G and line F are parallel to each other is written as line G is parallel to line F and is read as line G is parallel to line F. Concurrent lines. In the figure alongside A is the point of intersection of line P and line Q. The point of intersection of line Q and line R is B. The point of intersection of line R and line P is C. If we consider two of the lines P, Q and R at a time, we find that the points of intersection are different for each pair. In the figure alongside, line I, line G, line K all intersect at the same point S. Line I, line G, line K are concurrent. Their point of intersection S is the point of concurrence. Three or more lines intersecting in a single point are called concurrent line and their point of intersection is called the point of concurrence. Summary. In this lesson, we learned point, line, segment and ray. We also learned collinear points and non-collinear points, plane, intersecting line, parallel line and concurrent lines. So that is all in this topic, student. Till then, keep learning.